Decades of scientific progress, technological advancement, and continuous astronomical discovery have gradually pushed humanity toward what once felt like the outer edge of the observable universe. For a time, it seemed as though we were approaching the final limits of what could be seen, understood, or even imagined. With the arrival of the James Webb Space Telescope, this perception deepened. It appeared as if humanity had reached a new peak of cosmic observation. The images it produced were not merely photographs of distant galaxies, but profound transformations in how we perceive the universe at its deepest level. They did not simply reveal celestial objects scattered across space. They redefined scale, depth, time, and cosmic beauty itself. Distant galaxies emerged as faint, ancient glows, their light originating from the earliest chapters of cosmic history. These photons, traveling for billions of years across an expanding universe, carry more than illumination, they carry history. Each one is a fragment of a distant past, arriving only now to be understood. Immense clouds of interstellar gas and cosmic dust, hidden for years beyond count, were revealed in intricate formations resembling vast cosmic structures shaped over unimaginable spans of time. These structures have always existed, silent and unchanged, waiting for their light to finally reach an observer capable of interpreting them. For the first time in human history, we are not simply observing space. We are looking back through time itself. At first, it seemed as though humanity had reached a final boundary of observation, as if the universe had revealed its deepest secrets. But this was an illusion shaped by the limits of perception. The universe is not fully exposed to us. It is layered, complex, and structured in ways that extend far beyond direct observation. Hidden structures reveal themselves not only through light, but through gravity, distortion, and subtle patterns woven into spacetime itself. Now, humanity is beginning to uncover this deeper layer through precision measurement and advanced observation. Among these efforts is the work of the Euclid Space Telescope, operating from the Sun-Earth Lagrange point L2, about 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. Free from atmospheric interference, it maps the universe with extraordinary precision, not just to observe galaxies, but to understand how cosmic structure is organized. Its data reveals that galaxies are not randomly scattered, but connected within a vast cosmic web, an immense system of filaments shaped by gravity and unseen forces. Within this structure lies encoded information about the evolution of the universe across billions of years. A key focus of this mission is dark matter, an invisible substance that does not emit light, yet reveals itself through gravitational lensing, where light from distant galaxies bends around unseen mass. With each dataset, Euclid constructs one of the most detailed three-dimensional maps of the universe ever created, revealing both structure and mystery on a scale never before accessible. What it shows is not a scattered universe, but an interconnected architecture shaped by both visible and invisible forces. And yet this growing clarity does not bring final answers. Instead, it opens deeper questions. What lies beyond the observable universe? What structures exist where even light has not yet reached? And what fundamental laws govern the formation of everything we are only beginning to map? Each discovery reveals another layer beneath it. Each answer expands the horizon of uncertainty. What once seemed complete now appears only as a fragment of a far larger reality. The universe is not a finished structure. It is an evolving system, expanding, reorganizing, and unfolding across scales so vast that human intuition can barely contain them. Even the cosmic web may not be the deepest layer of structure, but only its most visible expression. As instruments like Euclid continue their silent observations, humanity is undergoing a quiet transformation. We are no longer seeing galaxies as isolated points of light, but as parts of a connected cosmic system, linked by invisible threads of gravity and matter, separated by vast voids that are not truly empty. With every new observation, the universe becomes less like a collection of objects and more like a living architecture, vast, structured, and deeply interconnected. And yet, the more precisely we observe, the more questions emerge. In this unfolding realization, humanity stands at a rare moment in history, not merely looking at the universe, but beginning to read it, not as scattered light, but as a structured language written across space and time itself. And the more fluently we learn to read it, the more we realize that the universe is not becoming simpler with understanding, it is becoming deeper.